Komanda wa borithi kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi za Ng'eno nekirite kirore Antû Bana NIBATITE UTURO BWAO kumania na MUTINO jura jumire ntere cha Nithi aria ngari muthemba jwa bus egwire yumite Mau agwita Nairobi. Basi ejire ni ya kambuni ya KENSILVER netigite Antû kathomba bagwete NGURARIO kumania na MUTINO jwa rukirirwa narua. Kiri bana bau baire ni kuruntu murume umwe na kana kamwe. Bangi banana bara bagwete NGURARIO baikirwe cibitarine ya chogoria kwewo utungata. Martin Mugambi ni agutwacho na njire ndiku.
Ituri akieba muthenya we mundirira kunikira kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi kumania na MUTINO mwenda moni wa ndagacha ya Nithi.
Riu ni noka tutwaigua mbuna agaiti noka twaigua mara KENSILVER kugwana. Riu toka kuona bo kuri riu gukana katwereria antu mawendi mamwega mambiria kuruta antu mega nona ngari jia maikia cibitari ambulance itari mboku
no mbuto egwa riu tukwegwa mbuto ugaga tweje twoko embu tukeja twethera KENSILVER kumama na rutere ne kûûraga antu bamwe
riu ngutucagira na Nithi nirio ndagwa impact nene andacoka ndona ambulance jitete sana ngikinya ndethira ni KENSILVER yagwa na nikonania igurutha damage itembega
gugitwikikaga mbasi ya matatu ya kampani ya KENSILVER ni kwendamite mwenda moyo yumite bwa Meru iragwata mathina makiobundi na kwingirita mutaroni arantu kathomba bagwatire NGURARIO na bara bangi gutoturo.
This is just to confirm that we have had this fatal accident along this route as you have witnessed. First of all, I want to start by sending condolences to the people who have lost their lives.
Ya bantu aba tugete mpanga no ntukwina ngari ya skuru ya gwire yankinyagia bantu aba tugete mpanga no ntu after ntukujigana na lori ni agwite au Nithi na nituise anyithi ni bantu bathoku no bagwetitie antu mono burutu.
Kuringana na komanda wa polisi kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi za Ng'eno Antû Bana bari ogoe kurubairika na kamwe na muntu murume omwe batere uturo bwao gwa gukumania na MUTINO yo.
4 fatalities, huh?
Yes.
We lost 4 lives. 2 female, 1 male, and 1 female juvenile, whose particulars and names have not yet been identified.
Yes.
Several others who are critically injured at various injuries.
Yes.
We can also confirm that the driver is not part of the fatalities.
Yes. Kiongera Ng'eno ariuga mona gutwika batamenya na antu bagana bakuri mbacini enu ayari antu banana bari na ndingangirwa indito ibakugwata meri gitokire cibitari a chogoria.
Are there some people who have been treated and discharged maybe?
Yes, a good number have been treated and discharged. Others who were not injured at all, people just were highlighted from the vehicle and left. Yes.
Like how many are critically injured?
The critically injured that we can say numbering 8.
Yes.
That is from according to what we have at the hospital, the Jokoria Mission Hospital.
Kiongera Ng'eno ariuga ibwega mandereba kagita karabari akube na nkinya bakwenda mandagacha ya Nithi bakethagirwa bari metho.
Since I've said we have not known the cause of the accident and we have not known whom to blame, because some of the cases may be mechanical, and we also ask for the drivers and the owners of the motor vehicles to actually get their vehicle to be roadworthy at all times, more especially the public service vehicles.
Kiaria turi banture no bariuga bo ibanogetwi mawirane makithirikari iguru ria ndagacha eno.
Ndigi apiro ki government nontu no tukaje tukiriraga Nithi malothangi haraka mathondeke ndagacha ya Nithi na ndigi pongeza ndereba oro sana nontu kethirwa tamirekia gwa mirekia pengine kethwa kiama na ndagacani oguto kwari tutiwisa kwithwa tukiaragia ogo.
Kiripotera Wero TV kuma gicigo mbunge kia Mara mbitagwa Martin Mugambi.